Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters, wherever you are, far in, near in, yard. Greetings. It's Miss Spots coming to you again with our little Heidi and solution talk and give me back the sweet, sweet Jamaica. So today we want to talk about rape. We call it rapists then. We're talking about them dirty rapists. That we don't talk about today. So, me no even understand this at all because we never used to do something there in Jamaica. We never used to have that problem there in Jamaica. So me don't know where they come from. We used to have a community thing where everybody knew everybody and the kids were well protected. So me don't know where them dirty boy they come from. So them the rape people, pitney and all of that. And the worst part about it, the fathers, you have some fathers where they rape their daughter. So we are going to shine some light on you and see how it go, what we can do about it. And me always have my little idea and solution. And maybe to them my idea and solution now going to be good. Now going to be good to some people, they not going to like it. But for them problem, that not mine. So we used to look on some people back in the days and just laugh at them when they act certain way upon road like them mad and all of that. But as a country, we have a stigma around, healthcare, mental health rather. We see that as a joke. It has never been something taken seriously. And, the government need to work on that along with Ministry of Health because people having serious problem, and because we are not people known for dealing with those situations, we just let it go, and letting it go does not help because these are some of the things we create, and we have to fix up that. We should be able to have little people them can walk on road, and not being raped. So we're gonna have to work on that, man. We have to. And as we say, Ministry of Health. Anybody that listen know nothing about it and figure out what to do about it. So how me see the situation with these guys who said in the rape is 75% of them really have mental problem. They do. They really have mental problem. So them one day need to work on. And then the other 25% are just some wicked boy them. And them also have to be working in a one different way. So me personally no see the reason why them should go prison. For them more taxpayer money, they get 3 meals a day. Me totally against that. No, that is not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to happen at all, because I don't think when them go there, them they get any form of help. It's not being taken seriously. Them not get no help. And you can't just lock them up for a time without not send them to jail or prison and then not send them back out without any help. You have to prepare them for the new world what they're going on. So it's not lock them up and let them out and then come out back the said way because who no feel say, oh, them being good. No, them never been good because they never get no help. Nobody never talk about the situation with them and them only in the fake if you no think so them okay. Because it's just a matter of time when they come out for them go back to the said thing because there was nothing talk about. They never get none talking about the situation, what they did, or any consequences their way. So no, them can't just go to prison. Did they name 3 meals a day, name more taxpayer money? Did their family they call them, then get phone? They mean that they get fat because they name food. While the person who get raped gone mad because once you rape somebody, I done then done. Mentally, they're not there as long as life lasts. They will never get over that. So me things say them the boy they forget some serious consequence. No, as a matter of fact, torture. They must be tortured. And as I said, that 75% they would need help. Them need to get help. But if them go in a prison, them have to get some sort of, I don't know, something have to happen. Something have to really happen. But them just can't come out like that, and them can't stay in there and more taxpayer money. Them have to get help. Government help. And them as a matter of fact, as me say, them shouldn't have to turn in there and food and get fat and have friends to talk to and kinty. No, they should be in there to be tortured. You have that 25%, they what me say are just some wicked, dirty boy them. Them the guy there who even rape them daughter. Them just in a one different world where them feel say not now go good for them and all of that. And so what them do? Them see some little picnic on road, maybe they come home from school or they walk and then just say, but them the little picnic, they no more rape them. Because they're angry with their lives. And them really don't care. And when you get up and rape a little girl, 9-year-old, 10-year-old, 11-year-old, they're just babies. They're just babies. Them a baby. They can't even bear themselves properly. So when you do that, you not supposed to get nothing in a prison. You're supposed to only have one meal a day. You get that in the afternoon. So he help your belly from morning to afternoon and from afternoon to night. So till the next day. You can't sit down in there and have 3 meals a day, boss. No. So what may think the punishment should be for who dirty rapists? Every Monday morning, you no get nothing for nyam on a Monday. You no get nothing for nyam on Tuesday. One you don't get, you no get to no ass rape by a robot. So all them do, them have a specific room for carry you in there. Tie you power and pole or post. Turn hand robot pound for rape on your ass for a good 45 minutes. Make you feel some of the pain when you put these little kids through. Because you don't seem to understand what you do. So Monday morning you wake up, go in the room. 45 minutes of rape from a robot. Tuesday morning, said time, robot tear up on your ass again. Said way, 45 minutes. They cannot feel that. I don't know, we think. Say, boy, I rape me go through this. Yes, as some me want to not think. And in the meantime, people who are out in the public, all the other one them what they think for do it, won't do it. So you see Wednesday and Thursday, we don't get a break. You see Friday morning, you know what we don't get? Don't run a pin in a one of no balls. When they run that pin in your balls, you're supposed to see the pitney where you rape. You're supposed to see everything from start to finish, including our family, what you may know. And that have it happen to you. And then give you a break the next day. You see the day after that, another pin they go in your other balls. And you feel buckle under the pain. You feel drop on your knee cup them. And you feel it. When I say you feel the pain. Feel it so till, I mean, if you live, good for you. And if you don't live, bad for you. Because that a few lesson you they learn, boss. And by teaching that the lesson there, a whole heap of other man not go think for do it. No, them not go think for do it. Because, as me say, once you rape, that person is scarred for life. When a parent have to get up and work hard for send them pitney to school, Them they work so hard. Them themselves not even they get 3 meals a day like oh, then they have 3 meals a day. And had a kin teeth. We don't know inmate. Them have to they walk. Make sure them pitney get uniform for go to school. And uno turn up and road they wait for them. For go pull them, we carry them go in a bush, go rape them. And uno for just get away with it so. No, I know so you go. No, I know so life go boss. So, in case uno do certain years and uno they come out, here's what's supposed to happen. Uno supposed to leave and they must have a registry if you know where uno they go. People if know say uno a rapist and know about everything. Me personally would want to know that if I have somebody who used to live in my community when they rape and in go prison and they come back, I would rather him come back and live in my community so me can have an eye on him, see what I'm up to. And once he knows that the community they watch him, he not go and do nothing there. He may want to go to a new community, go strike. But him not too sure. But here is the thing. The only way he can do that, unless him left prison without a pin in his balls. So we not going to make that happen. We will not let that happen and it should not happen. So, the other big torture what will happen for those who do them time and them, I don't know if them get help and them don't get the chance to come out. What need to happen is to run a metal pin in a them penis. And it must hang off 1 inch on each side. So when that rub against your drawers, you must remember when the pin hit your backside, what you did while you have that. So if you're there bed and you try to touch it, you burn your ass. If you're there walk, you rub against your pants, rub against your drawers, you feel in a pain, burn your ass. Any movement you make, you're supposed to feel that burn your ass. And when you there walk down the road, because you're not supposed to be able to walk good no more. Because that not going to come out of you, that in every life. So that you will never use that again. So when you there walk down the road, and people see you, and then see you in a pain, then they'll say, oh, ratty. And one of the rapists, them will come for that prison that I want to wear the pin, you know. I saw if you go. Everybody feel know. And once those things start to happen with that form of punishment, Jamaica clear of rapists. Because nobody now go want to do it. Because them now go want nobody if you see them they walk down the road with in a pain. They clench their teeth because the world don't know say a rape or no rape. Anybody even when they think to do it will never even bother. And Jamaica clean and clear of uno who calling yourself rapists. Me know say a lot of uno may be upset and say that not right. But if that's how you feel, it means say when they rape, everything is all okay. So if I that you they come with, I want to don't come after me. Drop it, no bother. Because that is how I feel that they should be punished. Because you cannot get up as a big tone-ass man. You might be in your 20s or your 30s and you get up rape a 8-year-old, a 9-year-old, 10-year-old picnic and you get scotch-free? No. Can't happen. You have to wear that metal pin for the rest of your life. So guess what? As long as you live, one of your drawers can never use again till you're dead. We don't have real punishment here. That's why somehow they get away. But anybody that listen why he now security government to take a listen at that and maybe try some of that the idea there. Because that may help. No boy enough for rape and go in a prison, they kin teeth and then your meals come out fat and shine. Family their phone and get cell phone in there. No. feel happy while the pitney did they struggle mentally, and she don't grow up to be like that, struggling until the day she die. No, my friend. So as me say, some money don't come out for me, but I don't care. I really don't care, because that is how me think it should go. And that is my little idea and solution for all our uno rapists. So, with that being said, this is Miss Pat saying, uno walk good, take care of yourself, and me catching up on the another talk. Miss Pat's out.